Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve LeetCode problem 572, which is subtree of another tree. So given the roots of two binary trees, root and subroot, return true if there is a subtree of root with the same structure and node values of subroot and false otherwise. So a subtree of a binary tree is a tree that consists of a node in a tree and all of this node's descendants. The tree could also be considered as a subtree of itself. Okay, so basically we are given two roots of two binary trees, root and subroot, and we need to identify if one is a subtree of another tree, right? So in this example we have this tree, okay, and this is a subtree. So as you can see, basically this subroot uh, is a subtree of this tree, right? So we should return true. So how can we identify programmatically? So uh, we can use two approaches basically. So we will have a inner function called whether two trees are same tree or not. So first we will compare basically uh, this root and this subroot, are they have the same tree or not? If they are not, then we will check with left subtree or right subtree. So in this case, left subtree is same as this tree. So we are going to return true. So in this way, we can solve this problem. So let's write the code. And so let's write the base condition. So suppose if subroot is null, okay, then we are going to immediately return true because like if subroot is null, then there is no sense to traverse the tree. But if subroot is not null, if root is null, then we are going to return false. Because root, there is no tree present in root, but subroot is has a tree. So in that case, we should return false. Now we will have a function. It's same. We will pass root and subroot. If it is true, then we are going to return true immediately. In otherwise, what we are going to do basically, we are going to call this its subtree function on left and right. Root dot left, comma subroot. Okay, and here also on the right. So we are going to call the same function on root dot right. So we are using OR condition here because if either of the left subtree or right subtree is equal to this tree, then we found the match, right? So that's why we are using OR condition here. Now let's write the code for this function. So where should we write? I think we can write it here. Okay. So let's have this def now root 2 and here root 1. So suppose if root 1 is equals to null and root 2 is equals to none, return true. Suppose if both are not none, then we are going to basically return root 1 dot value is equals to root dot 2 dot value. and it's same on left. We are comparing left and right now. So basically copy this code, paste this code, root 1 dot left, and here root 2 dot left, and root 2 dot right, and root 1 dot right. So we had already covered this it's same tree logic in my previous video, so you can check that out. So I'm just writing code here. So basically return false otherwise if one is none and other is not none. So this is our it's same function. Okay, yeah, it looks good now. So it also looks good. So let's test our code. So you can see that all the test cases are passed. Okay, now let's submit the code. So submission is successful, our code is accepted and it's working fine. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.